Say hello. This is Liliana. She's getting big. She's 11.5 weeks old. And she's being very noisy. Oh, you have a lot to say. Hi there. Are you sticking your fingers down your throat? That's not very good. What's the matter, Pumpkin? You want your binky? You want your binky? Oh, get your fingers out of the way. Get the fingers out of the way. There. She's been a little chatterbox most of the evening. She's pretty grumpy because she's not had a good nap this afternoon and it's time to go to bed. Hi, grumpy face. I've got the video camera going. Hi, grumpy face. Oh, night night.